Slow down, you are doing fine. Feels rushed this morning. There is nothing new in my surrounding to cause this feeling. The habit of doing and getting nowhere is consuming. Slow down, I whisper to myself. You are doing fine. Breathe the freshness of this morning dew. Let the raindrops revive the heaviness in your soul. Master the mundane in your midst, the blooming flowers, the flying bees, the crawling spiders, the roaming hens with their gang of little ones. Slow down. Don't let life pass you by. Gather your energies from the north, south, east, and west. Call back the scattered pieces of your soul to yourself. Feel the fullness of wholeness. Slow down. Life is designed to be enjoyed, an enjoyable experience. Slow down. You are doing fine. Talk to you soon. It's Keroy.